Welcome. Managing customer engagement and marketing campaigns can become complex without the right automation platform. That's where SAP Emarsys comes in. SAP Emarsys is a powerful marketing automation solution that helps businesses deliver personalized campaigns, manage customer data, and improve engagement across multiple channels from one centralized platform. With tools for customer segmentation, automated messaging, and performance tracking, businesses can create smarter marketing strategies and build stronger relationships with their audiences. Let's get started. Key features of SAP Emarsys 1. Omnichannel marketing. SAP Emarsys allows businesses to manage and deliver marketing campaigns across various channels, including email, SMs, mobile, social media, and web. This ensures a consistent and personalized experience for customers, no matter how they engage with the brand. 2. Personalization and segmentation. With advanced segmentation and personalization capabilities, SAP Emarsys uses data from past purchases, browsing behavior, and other customer interactions to tailor content and recommendations. 3. AI-driven insights. SAP Emarsys is powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning, which helps analyze customer data and predict future behavior. This enables businesses to automatically adjust campaigns to optimize results, ensuring higher engagement rates and conversions. 4. Automation of marketing campaigns. Automated workflows enable the creation of customer journeys that respond to real-time actions, such as sending a welcome email when someone subscribes or offering a discount after a cart abandonment. 5. Customer journey mapping. SAP Emarsys enables businesses to create customizable customer journeys, mapping out a series of interactions based on the customer's lifecycle and engagement history. 6. Real-time analytics and reporting. With built-in analytics and reporting, businesses can track the performance of their marketing campaigns in real time. Metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and customer lifetime value are all available in one place. 7. Integration. SAP Emarsys offers a wide range of integrations with popular e-commerce platforms, CRM systems, and other third-party tools. For example, it can integrate seamlessly with SAP Commerce Cloud, Salesforce, Shopify, Magento, and BigCommerce. 8. Product recommendations. One of the standout features of SAP Emarsys is its AI-powered product recommendation engine, which uses customer data to suggest relevant products to customers. This feature can be used for personalized email marketing, website content, and even mobile apps, driving higher sales and improving the customer experience. 9. Customer loyalty and retention. SAP Emarsys includes features to help businesses improve customer retention and build long-term loyalty. Businesses can set up loyalty programs, reward points, and special offers for repeat customers, encouraging them to return and engage more with brand. Here's a simpler breakdown of the options in SAP Emarsys found above. 1. Platform. This section explains what SAP Emarsys does, like helping businesses automate marketing, personalize messages, and use AI to improve customer engagement across different channels. 2. Solutions. This area shows the different tools SAP Emarsys offers to help with things like customer retention, personalized recommendations, and running marketing campaigns across various channels. 3. Customer stories. Here, you can read about real businesses that have used SAP Emarsys successfully. It shares examples of how the platform helped them improve their marketing and grow their business. 4. Companies. This section shows which kind of businesses and industries use SAP Emarsys, like e-commerce, retail, and more. 5. Partners. This part highlights the companies and experts who work with SAP Emarsys to help businesses use the platform. Such as agencies and tech providers. 6. Resources. In this section, you can find helpful guides, blogs, and videos that teach you how to use SAP Emarsys and improve Your marketing efforts to start using SAP Emarsys, make sure you have an account to log in because there is no free trial in here unless you will book a demo in order. For you to consult the page if you are already in the dashboard, you can add your contacts.import contacts.in SAP Emarsys. You can import your contacts, customers from your website, CRM, or email list. You'll want to upload this data so you can start targeting specific groups. Segment your origins. Create segments based on criteria such as customer behavior, demographics, or purchase history. This segmentation allows you to send personalized and relevant messages to different customer groups. Create and automate campaigns. Build campaigns. You can create personalized campaigns such as email marketing, SMs, and social media ads using the platform. Use SAP Emarsys AI-powered automation to trigger campaigns based on user behavior, like abandoned carts, sign-ups, or past purchases. Set up automated customer journeys. For example, you can create an email series for new customers or a cart abandonment reminder. Automation helps reduce manual work while ensuring customers receive timely, personalized messages. Personalize content with AI product recommendations. SAP Emarsys uses AI to suggest products or content that is tailored to each customer. Use these recommendations in your emails or on your website to improve conversion rates. Dynamic content. Personalize email or web page content based on customer interests and behaviors. You can change product suggestions, text, and images for each customers. Segment. Use analytics and reporting. Track campaign performance. SAP Emarsys provides real-time analytics. You can monitor the success of your campaigns by checking metrics like open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and ROI. Customer insights. Use AI-driven insights to understand customer behavior and optimize your marketing efforts. This data helps you improve future campaigns and refine your targeting strategy. Optimize your marketing efforts. Test and optimize. Continuously test your campaigns using A/B testing tools. For example, you can test different email subject lines, product recommendations, or call to action buttons. Thank you for watching this SAP Emarsys tutorial. Using a marketing automation platform can help businesses streamline campaigns, improve customer engagement, and make data-driven marketing decisions. SAP Emarsys provides powerful tools to help teams manage and optimize their marketing efforts more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on marketing automation tools, business software, and digital platforms. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.